Hello, everyone, and welcome to this course of Google Analytics offered to you by Uplatz. And today we'll be talking about Google Analytics and how you can use Google Analytics to ensure what's happening around your website and see how you can see trends, how people are visiting your website, how their customers are using your website, and then go ahead and use this trend, use these insights to make recommendations and make changes, design changes or development changes to your website. So what you see on my screen is Google Analytics. So basically how do you reach here is analytics.google.com. So it takes me to a login page and you have to log in using your Gmail credentials, which you are using for your website. So you log in through that and you essentially have the admin button over here. So on the admin button, you have the account, property, and view. So before we dive into all of this, I would like to give you some basics of analytics as to how it can help you. It can give you real-time visitors on your website, how many people came to your website, how many people dropped off, which pages were performing better than the others, which events were more favorable than some of the other events. So, for example, if this is a website that I'm going to use during my session, and I would like to know um, how many people clicked here. So I would know how many people have clicked there if I have an event triggered over here, or how many people actually booked an appointment. So all of these are available through Google Analytics. And this was the intro call. And we will go ahead and in the next call share how do you set up tracking for Google Analytics on your HTML code. Thank you for listening.